Ever tried to log into your Revolut account, only to find your password has vanished from your memory? It's a frustrating moment we've all faced. That little 6-digit passcode or a combination you were so sure you'd remember is just gone. You're not locked out forever, though. In fact, resetting your Revolut password is a straightforward process designed to get you back into your account safely and quickly. Whether you've forgotten your passcode or your web app password, this video will walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step. For the mobile app, which uses a passcode, here's how to reset it. First, open the Revolut app on your phone. On the login screen, enter the phone number linked to your account. Below the passcode field, you'll see an option that says Forgot Your Passcode. Tap on that. Revolut takes security seriously, so it will ask you to verify your identity. This can involve entering a one-time code sent to your device or taking a quick selfie. The app will guide you through this process. Once your identity is confirmed, you'll be able to create a brand new passcode for your account. It's a simple, secure process that ensures only you can get back in. Now, for Revolut business accounts or if you're using the web app on your computer, you'll be dealing with a regular password. If you've forgotten this, the process is a little different but just as easy. Head to the Revolut business web app and click the Login button. On the login page, you'll find a Forgot Password link. Click it, and Revolut will send a password reset link to the email address associated with your account. Go to your inbox, find the email from Revolut, and click on the link provided. This will redirect you to a page where you can set a new, secure password for your web app. Remember, whether you're resetting a passcode or a password, it's a good idea to create something new and unique. Avoid using obvious details like birthdays or common sequences. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.